Alright, here's Eric at the Chain Lakes. We first thought that this was a no-fish lake, but since we got to this spot, we've caught about 4 fish in a row. I can't see it. Should I stop? This is waterproof, right? I could put it down in the water as you're reeling it in. Would that be cool? I don't know if it'll work or not. I don't know if that's going to work.
Just take some video of it on the surface here.
Oh, he looks like a nice fish. Back it in. He looks big. Wow, he is nice. Ooh, God, he's big. Jeez. Oh, gee.
Oh, look how fat that thing is.
That's big, man. Too bad we already kept 2. We sure don't want to keep one more.